Hey guys! So I love Chinese take-in recipes, and today we're making homemade vegan Chinese pot stickers. Not only is the filling delish, but we're leveling up these dumplings to include this tasty, crisp, lacy skirt that's going to impress all your buds. Ooh, how fancy. This is a great meal to make a big batch of and freeze, and then you can just throw it together whenever you get the craving. Here's how you do it. To make the dumpling filling in a large nonstick pan, you're going to add vegetable oil and then saute ginger and garlic until fragrant for about 1 minute. Add mushrooms, zucchini, carrot, tamari or soy sauce, sea salt, and white pepper. And cook this until the water is evaporated and the vegetables are slightly caramelized, which will take about 8 to 10 minutes. Then turn the heat off and stir in Napa cabbage, chives, and a bit of cornstarch. Combine this well until the mixture starts to hold and stick together, and then pour it into a large bowl to cool. To make the dipping sauce for these dumplings, in a bowl you're going to combine black vinegar, soy sauce or tamari, ginger, chives, and garnish with sesame seeds and chili flakes. Then you can just set this aside. To wrap up your pot stickers, you're going to have a bowl of water and the cooled filling mixture close by. Take one of your wrappers and add a heaping teaspoon of filling into the center. Moisten your fingers and dab along the outer edge of the wrapper with water. Use your moistened finger to press down the filling into the center. Then slightly fold the wrapper and pinch and pleat one side of the dumpling until it's sealed. Place the dumpling flat on a surface to shape and slightly turn the edges inward. Place the assembled dumplings in one layer on a parchment-lined tray and cover with plastic wrap so that the dumplings don't dry out while you fold the rest. I do suggest using plastic wrap to cover the dumplings as a damp dishcloth is heavy and will weigh the dumplings down and possibly misshape them. To make this lacy skirt we're talking about, in a small bowl you're going to combine all-purpose flour, rice flour, and water. Whisk this until combined and make sure to stir it up every time you make a batch of dumplings. To cook the dumplings, you're going to heat up a 10-inch wide non-stick pan over medium heat and brush 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil evenly into the bottom. Place 10 dumplings into the pan and then pour 1/4 cup of the flour-water mixture into the pan, making sure that it covers it evenly between the dumplings. Cover the pan with a lid and steam for about 5 minutes. Remove the lid and continue cooking for another 3 to 5 minutes until the water evaporates and the lacy skirt starts to crisp up. Use a rubber spatula to loosen the edges of the lacy skirt to make sure that the skirt has released from the pan. To flip this, you're going to use a small plate that fits inside the pan. Now carefully place it inside and flip both together so that the plate is now on the bottom and the pan is upside down. This is so that the dumplings will end up on the plate with the lacy skirt side up. Look at these. Now, if you love Asian food like I do, there's tons of other Chinese take-in recipes on the blog and right here on the channel. And if you're planning for the holidays, make sure you check out my new ebook, Hot for Holidays. It's got 5 exclusive, never-before-seen recipes just for you. I want you to be planning the best vegan feast of your life this year. Check it in the link below. I'm Lauren from Hot for Food, and keep on watching my channel. I have linked some videos here and here. Just keep on binge watching. Also, you can follow me on social media at Hot for Food, at Lauren Toyota, and of course subscribe because I'm here with brand new recipes every Wednesday.